his name? Do you know his name? Oh, what's his name? Go see his... He sneezed. Go say hi to him. Say bless you. Say bless you. He just sneezed. He just sneezed, honey. Oh, come on. Let's go pet him and say sorry.